Hello and welcome to our video on basic Arabic vocabulary for beginners. In this video, we will introduce you to some of the most common Arabic words and phrases that you can use in everyday situations. Let's start with the basics. Arabic is written from right to left, and it uses a different script than English. The Arabic script has 28 letters, and each letter can have up to 4 different forms depending on its position in a word. Now, let's move on to some useful vocabulary. We'll start with some common greetings and expressions. Assalamu alaikum is the most common Arabic greeting, which means peace be upon you. The response to this greeting is wa alaikum assalam, which means and upon you be peace. Marhaba is another greeting that can be used at any time of the day, which means hello. Shukran means thank you, and afwan means you're welcome. Next, let's learn some basic vocabulary related to food and drink. Ma means water, kawa means coffee, shai means tea, khobz means bread, lam means meat, samak means fish, and salata means salad. Moving on to some useful phrases, ana asif means I'm sorry, la'afim means I don't understand, and ma ismuka means what's your name. That's it for our video on basic Arabic vocabulary for beginners. We hope that you found this video useful and that it will help you on your journey to learning Arabic. Thank you for watching.